Did Neanderthals cook their food? For many years, the image of Neanderthals was that of rough, primitive beings who ate raw meat torn straight from the bone. But recent discoveries have completely reshaped that view. In fact, there is growing evidence that Neanderthals not only cooked their food, but did so with surprising skill and intention. Archaeologists have found signs of fire use at many Neanderthal sites. These include hearths, ash deposits, charred bones, and burned plant remains. This strongly suggests that Neanderthals regularly used fire, not just for warmth or protection, but for preparing food. Cooking meat would have made it easier to chew and digest. It also helps kill bacteria and parasites. Burnt bones found near fire pits show that Neanderthals roasted meat, much like we do today. Some sites even show repeated fire use in the same locations over time, an indication that they returned to favored cooking spots. But it wasn't just meat they cooked. Studies of Neanderthal dental plaque have revealed traces of cooked plant matter. Microscopic remains of grains, legumes, and roots show chemical changes that only happen when heated. This tells us that Neanderthals understood how cooking improved the taste and nutrition of plant foods. At some archaeological sites, researchers have uncovered evidence of more complex food preparation. In Shanidar Cave in Iraq and El Sidia or An in Spain, scientists found traces of wild pulses, nuts, and grasses that may have been soaked, ground, or roasted. This hints at cooking techniques beyond simply tossing food into a fire. There's even evidence that Neanderthals may have used seasonings. In some dental remains, scientists found traces of bitter herbs like yarrow and chamomile. These have little to no nutritional value, suggesting they might have been used for flavor or, possibly for medicinal purposes. Coastal Neanderthal sites offer more insights. Burnt shells and fish bones have been discovered, suggesting they also cooked seafood. This expands the picture of Neanderthal cooking to include not just land animals and plants, but marine foods as well. Cooking also shows something important about Neanderthal culture. Planning, making fire, and preparing food takes time and effort. It means they likely shared tasks, understood their environment, and passed knowledge down through generations. In conclusion, Neanderthals were far from the raw-meat-eating brutes they were once thought to be. They cooked their food, experimented with ingredients, and adapted their methods to different environments. These behaviors reveal intelligence, creativity, and a deep understanding of the natural world. Cooking wasn't just about survival, it was part of the way Neanderthals lived, thrived, and connected as communities.